What's up, gang? Your boy Ty back with another video. I'm currently in the engine bay of Rambo right now. We're about to change out these coil packs and spark plugs with the newer ones that I just got in the mail. My RIP modification supercharged coil packs, which I got those, and new lithium spark plugs as well. We're gonna change out all 16 spark plugs and all 8 coil packs today. So we're about to get into that. I'm not gonna hold you guys up, but if you are new to this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to this video. If you are old, thank you for still viewing me as I continue to upgrade and work on Rambo. I know I've been saying I want to sell the truck. I don't. Then again, I don't want to sell the truck. It's like a roller coaster right now. But the more I put into it, it's like the more I love this truck more and more. But like, I love it. I just got to snap the wheels down. And let's get into it. Okay, as you see, I took out all the coil packs on the even side, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And you can probably see down there just a bit the sparks themselves. They're probably all tucked in there. And that's what I'm going to be removing next. Just go ahead and change all that out, all the goodies. These are the ones I was using before. They're Duralast coil packs. They're not in the best condition right now that I've seen, but they look kind of good. They look okay. Not that bad. And inside, there's one that did look kind of curved in the inside a little bit. Let's see that one. It was just, you can see a little bit. Probably not. Just got a little. I think it's just a grease right there. I put it in there before. We're about to get throw these out. But let's get started with the removing the spark plugs next. Now, just pulling it out, it does look kind of bad. Looks like it's been kind of burning a little bit, not too sure. Looks kind of worn out. This is just the number 2 cylinder. We're about to get this right. Now we're about to place in the lithiums. I think I'm saying that right. If I'm not, oh fucking hell. Put these boys in and get started. Alright, now that we got those hand tight, not too torqued down all the way to flatten the tip or break anything, we can start installing your coil packs now. And yeah, then let's gotta do the other side. Just repeat the process on the other side. It's gonna be a little bit tighter on that side because I got that steering column in my way, got the fuel pump, got the computer, got that battery, got everything combined in one all the way over there. But we're gonna get through it today so I can do some other more stuff tomorrow. Put this coil pack in. This is the grand finale right here. Just gonna clean around the edges real quick. So, just gonna clean around the edges, get a good suction on the holes. Installing our number 1 coil. guys, I am back and I am done with all the coil packs installed on the left and the right side. As you can see, up in there, looks pretty good. That nice orange accent with black. Just gotta clean the engine bay a little bit, but we got it all in there. It took me a while because, you know, I got stopped by the rain and everything like that. Let's crank her up. RPMs did go up a little bit, but that's what they told me was going to happen when you install these coil packs. RPM's going to go up. The quick ignition start, parts of all my schools, I hear them all running right now. And we're about to get up out of here. Like I said, I feel as though I gained a little bit more power. The driving is immaculate. Like, I feel like it's a whole lot smoother, calmer. Like, I don't know, I just feel a whole big difference in the change right now. Like, the acceleration is just quicker. I feel a lot of thrust coming from it. Like, it's a whole big change. And like the ignition startups spontaneously quick right now. Like, RPMs are at like 1500 running when it starts up. Then it idles down to 5 to 1000. It all depends on where I'm sitting at or how I'm running it. But gas mileage, it said it would go up, but mine didn't really go up that much right now because yet again I'm on these big wheels. And then my coolant, it's been at an all-time low, so I've been running usually at like 210, 199. Now I'm at like 197 to 205, so that's great too as well. So I think it's impacting the truck significantly a lot, so that's pretty good. Got a good impact on it. So I updated, like I just said, I replaced all the spark plugs and coil packs, so I went above and beyond. So you're gonna have problems, but I'm not gonna have problems with those coil packs. I know that for a fact. Maybe the spark plug here and there, but we got it done. We got it done. So I'm gonna give this a 5-star rating for sure. I'm gonna give Rips a 5-star rating for this one. My first modification on the engine bay. So thumbs up to those guys. Thumbs up to me for putting them all in. I rather dealership gonna charge me $4,000 to install all this shit. I mean, I wouldn't say that's $4,000 worth of work, but it only cost me $750 to install these, or to buy them and install them for free because I'm using my time. Anyways, like I said, if you are new, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're a previous and one of my older subscribers, I appreciate you for watching me install all this stuff for Rainbow, and are continuously watching me progress in this YouTube industry, because I'm trying my best to make you guys happy with all the quality of work that I do and give you everything that you possibly would like to see. I know I like YouTube. I like to watch other people's videos too. I don't just watch my videos at all. I don't watch my videos at all. Like, I may watch a couple of seconds, then I'll just be like, oh, next. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Stay tuned for that POV at night.
Now I get hurt, then you. For my hoe, then you. I ain't got no points to prove. I got